Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use less energy when running. To begin, focus on maintaining good posture. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your core engaged. Avoid excessive bouncing, as this wastes valuable energy. Instead, aim for a smooth, forward motion. Your arms should swing naturally, providing balance and propulsion without crossing your body. By minimizing unnecessary movements, you'll find yourself running more efficiently and feeling less fatigued over longer distances, allowing you to enjoy your runs even more. Optimizing your running form is crucial for energy conservation. Strive for a higher cadence, ideally between 170 and 180 steps per minute. This reduces impact and promotes a lighter foot strike. Land softly with your foot directly beneath your hips, avoiding overstriding. Keep your head level and your gaze fixed about 10 to 20 feet ahead. These small adjustments can significantly improve your efficiency, making each stride more productive and less taxing on your body. Effective breathing and smart pacing are key to sustained energy. Practice diaphragmatic breathing, expanding your belly rather than just your chest, to maximize oxygen intake. Try a rhythmic breathing pattern, like inhaling for 2 or 3 steps and exhaling for the same duration. Always start your runs at an easy, conversational pace, gradually increasing intensity if desired. This prevents early fatigue and ensures you have enough energy to finish strong, making your runs more enjoyable and sustainable. Beyond your runs, strength training and proper recovery are vital for efficiency. Incorporate exercises like squats, lunges, and planks 2 to 3 times a week to build stronger core and leg muscles. This improves stability and power. Equally important is adequate sleep, aiming for 7 to 9 hours each night, and staying well hydrated by drinking at least 8 glasses of water daily. These habits reduce injury risk and allow your body to repair and adapt, making you a more resilient and energy-efficient runner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.